In the final year of his life, Thomas Merton, who was a 20th century monk and spiritual author, often spoke of a kind of universal consciousness as one possible goal of the spiritual life. What is universal consciousness? What does it mean to be a universal person? In the first part of this presentation, we're going to dive deep into Thomas Merton's life through his writings. We're also going to look at Merton's engagement with Sufism, the mystical tradition of Islam, particularly through a very interesting and understudied figure, a person named Reza Arasteh, who was an Iranian psychologist who was very influential for Merton's thinking about becoming a universal person. We're going to look at Merton's California conferences regarding the Sufi role of becoming universal persons through mystical practice. And we're going to look at the poetry and the writings of Rūmī, that celebrated Sufi figure, as well as Ibn al-Arabi, who was another remarkable Sufi mystic and thinker. We'll conclude our time together by looking at what the implications of becoming universal persons means for us today. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you on Saturday, August 2nd.